People respond to things differently. I want to teach you a way to respond to a bad situation which will result in a good outcome. It requires composure, and composure you can train by making yourself uncomfortable again and again and again. Right? Realize that a person who has been stabbed and a person who has been stabbed 1,000 times is not the same thing, because the person who's been stabbed 1,000 times before has composure now. So the practicing of composure is actually putting yourself into discomfort. Here's the idea. Bad things that happen to you in life, you can either make your life more beautiful out of these bad things, or you can introvert on the bad thing. Let me share something personal with you. 2 weeks ago, I was in a relationship. Right now, I'm not. I was staying with the girl that the girl that I was in love with. And there was a point where she did something to me that let me know that, oh wow, the person doesn't respect me enough that the fundamentals are set up for my life. The fundamentals of my life are, I have gigantic dreams, right? So the fundamentals are, I need to eat well, I need to sleep well, I need to work well. That's the fundamentals. I probably won't ask you for anything else. If you can add to these, then great. If you subtract from them, I'll notice. And then if you keep subtracting from them, I'll warn you, maybe 4 or 5 times. But the thing about me is that I will not gradually escalate past the point of warning you. I'm pulling out a grenade. So at about 2 a.m. on some day, 2 weeks ago, she had the audacity to ask me, oh, so what, would you break up over that? Or what would you even do? Where are you even gonna go? It's 2 a.m. And I showed her that I'm not necessarily... I showed her that I'm a person who walks in faith. So when she asked me that, I said yes. And in response to the question of where are you gonna go, I said, we'll see. Now I live in a prime area of town where the central, the CBD, Central Business District, is walking distance, meaning that if I run out of transport money, I just go there on foot. You know what I mean? I'm next door to one of my top sources of revenue, King's Crawl, a high-end restaurant, at least personal revenue, not overall, but personal. And my life is better, and I left home that night. I went to a kiosk where I know the security guard. I sat with him all night long. I put my stuff in his closet, and life has become better, but because of my response. Always value your integrity over whatever the situation is. Let's say I was homeless for a week. I would just be homeless for a week, but with integrity. That if I said to you, this is the limit, if you do that again, I'm going to leave, I'll honor what I said. Yeah. Let's say you're hungry and the food runs out. Make the most of it. Learn to fast. It can be something beautiful. It could be that you lose weight. You could actually shape your body, start to train. The HGH in your system will increase. You know what I mean? You can make it beautiful, this bad thing. And realize that the bad thing is also good. It's also good. Let's say everything was taken from you in life right now. It's a beautiful opportunity to refine your salesmanship. I don't have an ultimate amount of time to talk today. However, I wanted to share this perspective with you that whenever you get hit, make it beautiful. Because it is an opportunity. It's not a problem.